Hello, my name is Pete and welcome to the second video in this tutorial. If you haven't watched the first video, I recommend doing that. It just shows you how to set up the custom post. This tutorial we're going to be focusing on advanced custom fields and creating the fields that we need for our car listing website. If you're using something like for testimonials or even team members, it'll be a lot more simpler for you. So here we go. I'm in the custom fields. What I need to do is go add new. So I'm in dashboard custom fields from advanced custom field plugin, and then here I can add any title. I'm just going to add cars or custom field cars. It doesn't really matter. And then I'll just leave as cars, sorry. And then what the second thing, the location, you need to specify exactly which post it's going to be showing on. So it's going to be shown on when the post is equal to cars, which is our new custom post we created. Let's go ahead and add our first field. So our first field may be something like make. So the make of the car. So make is the label. The field type, I probably want that to be the best thing probably is, and I'll show you this trick, is a checkbox. And with the checkbox, we can make it to have allow custom. So what this does is allows you on the actual posts page to add your own custom field, and then click on save custom. It also allows you to save that so it can be used on other posts. The reason why I've done it this way is, just allows you to. So if you have like a select, for example, let's change this to be select. The select doesn't allow you to add custom ones, so you have to add them all here, which can be a bit time consuming. When you add in a new post and you have a new, let's say you're uploading a Ferrari car and there is no Ferrari, make. You have to go back into custom fields and you have to add a new choice in here. Whereas if you're using, and it'll make sense, if you're using checkbox, it will allow you just on there to just add Ferrari when you're on the actual post. So I'm just going to add BMW just to start off with. So you add BMW, just add BMW. Okay, so that's make, and I'll probably add some more. The other one you want to maybe add is a price. Okay, so price. Here, there's two different ones. One's a number, one's a range. Okay, a number is more for like a single number. A range is when you want to, maybe filter between two values. So for the price, I'm going to be using range because what I want is the customers to go on there and say, okay, I want to search for cars between 10,000 and 50,000 or whatever. So from there, you want to use range. Okay? So the minimum value is 0. And the maximum value is, I don't know, let's just do 100,000. Step size is 1. Don't worry about the prepend and append because we're going to be having that on our settings. You can make it required if you want, but it's not really that important. So I've added make and price. I'm just trying to think if there's another one that I need to kind of show you. Text, URL, image. Okay, so the other one I need to show you really is one called for the gallery. So I'm going to be populating these outside of the video because I don't want to spend this whole tutorial video showing you how to add each and every one. Once I've added them all, I'll come back and I'll just kind of, confirm at the end. But the one I wanted to show you was gallery. So by default, if you look on here, there is no gallery field because I'm using the free version of advanced custom fields. If you're using the pro version, there is a gallery field and we do support that as well. So if you're using the pro version, you can use gallery. Right now, there is no way. However, we didn't want to, make you have to buy the pro version. So we've given the ability to kind of cheat the system as such and make a gallery. So the first one you want to choose is a group. So here we're going to be making a group of images The only downside to this is you can't keep on adding. You have to specify the amount of images that the max images that they can upload here, which is not too much of a problem. So you want to add a group. The field, I'm just going to call this gallery. Okay. Then I want to add a field to the gallery. I want to call this image 1. Now you see this field name. This is very important, so please pay attention here. Under the field name it has _1. So this is the first image in this gallery. When you duplicate this, it has _2. This is how you want it to be. You want it to have the name, it doesn't matter what the name is of the gallery image, _1, the next one _2, _3, _4, _5, and so on. So what we'll do is, in our settings, you will tell the module, okay, the gallery is called gallery, and the image is image, and then we will then, loop through and pick up all these images and then make a gallery out of it for you. So it's quite a neat little way to do it. So I'm just going to be duplicating 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm just going to do 7. You can do 10, 20, however many you want. So that's how you do a gallery with the free version. Okay. So I have a make, price, and gallery. Now I'm just going to pause this video for now, and I will populate the rest of the fields and come back and just round up this tutorial. Okay, so I'm back now. Probably was not long for you, but it took about roughly 2 minutes for me to do this. So here I have the make, which is that checkbox we spoke about. Price is a range. I've also done year, so this is the year. I've done a range as well, and then I've done 1990 to 2020, which is the year at the moment. Mileage, done a range as well. Gearbox, I've done a select, so here we can just choose between automatic or manual. Fuel types, much the same, diesel, petrol. Number of doors is a select as well. Seats, color, I've done a checkbox, very much the same as the make, where they can add their own. And then gallery you saw earlier. So that's the kind of fields that I've set up for basic, the basic fields that we need for the information the customer needs to know. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish this. And now if we head over to the cars and we add a new car, you will see here's all these options that we have over here. So here we can enter in all the different here's a mistake. And this is great. The gallery isn't actually an image. So if I go back to my custom fields in my cars, in the gallery, in here you see the top is text. It should be an image. Oh wow, we all make mistakes. So here I make that into an image, and I can just delete these. Delete. Sorry about this. So here image 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to go to 10 now. A little bit of OCD coming in there. I'm not OCD, but yeah. So let's go back into our cars. Add new car. So we have the make, and here's this new choice, you see. So I can say, okay, I want a BMW, or I want to actually add Audi. And then now that choice will be added in there. So let's just go Audi. So you can choose a price, choose the year. You can actually type it in here. So 2007, for example. Mileage. It's automatic diesel. Number of doors 2. So you can add another color in here. So it's red. Here's the image. You can add the image. There's our nice. I know it's a Mercedes. I'm just using this for example. Then you can do image 2. So that's how you create these custom fields. The one thing that I haven't done is the make. So we have, not the make, the body type. So we have the make over here, the body type. Now I have decided for my own choice to make the body type under a category. So for example, if somebody wants to look for all the SUVs, it'll be under the category SUV or coupe or estate. So here under categories, I've created all these different categories: convertible, coupe, estate, hatchback, saloon, SUV. And in here, we'll assign the custom post to one of these, and then therefore when you go to the page, the category page, I mean there's nothing now, it will show all the convertibles in one area. That's just the way I've decided to do it. You can choose anyway. Okay, so that's it. That's setting up advanced custom fields, showing you a bit about how to use a gallery. The checkbox is quite a cool one because you can add it on the actual, actually on the post page rather than having to keep on going back in the settings. In the next video, we're going to look at actually, how we're going to adding the cars and then displaying it. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.